Ahoy there, fellow boaters. I'm Tom Malero, the Vice President of Business Development. Are you ready to make your vessel stand out on the open waters? Well, you're in luck because Pettit is here to make your dreams a reality with our new, exclusive Beautify Your Adventure rebate program. For a limited time, May 1st through September 4th, we're offering unbeatable rebates on our top-of-the-line marine paints. Picture this, a smooth and durable finish that withstands the harshest of marine environments with EZ-Poxy. Or how about a beautiful, non-skid finish that prevents slips and falls from ruining the day? That's right, it's time to say goodbye to ordinary and say hello to Pettit quality. Here's the deal. Purchase a gallon of Pettit Tuff Coat and receive a fantastic rebate of $50 per gallon. But wait, there's more. For every quart of Pettit EZ-Poxy, you'll enjoy an additional $5 rebate. And for those who prefer the convenience of aerosol cans, both Pettit EZ-Poxy aerosol and Pettit's Captain's Varnish aerosol come with a $5 rebate per aerosol. With Pettit, you're not just painting your boat, you're investing in its longevity and beauty. And with our amazing rebates, there's never been a better time to upgrade your vessel. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your boat's appearance and protection. Visit your nearest marine supply store today and take advantage of our paint rebate featuring Tuff Coat, EZ-Poxy, and Captain's Varnish. Pettit, beautify your adventure.